That goal. This is Rob attempted to lift 60 kg. Oh, he's fucking going for it. The guy is fucking insane. Look at this, look at these babies. Look at the intensity on the man's face. Oh, there's fucking weight in that, I tell you. You do 20?
Yep.
Suit guy.
I'm still going here. Martin's going to attempt the 20 reps of 60 kg. Come on. Come on.
Fuck that.